Why? In our trader rundown, Joe Cusick of Cusick Advisors joins me now for a closer look at the market action, and good to have you on the show, Joe.
Thank you, Angie.
So we're watching just information, different news stories that are affecting the market, but what do you think about current conditions? I know a lot of people are looking for a breakout in the small caps, the Russell.
Yeah, well, you need it, and right now we're not seeing it. As a matter of fact, the last leg to the upside had the small caps lagging the large caps. As I've mentioned before in the past with you, volatility has been non-existent. That was a concern to me. Also seeing that small caps are not leading, or at least moving at the same pace as large caps, that's concerning as well. That means that there's not a ton of conviction. It also is going to put some pressure on the upcoming data over the next few weeks as far as domestically, because if you see that the small caps, which are primarily domestically located stocks, if they're underperforming, that means that we should get ready for some potential underperforming data. Again, we'll wait to see that play itself out.
Let's take a look at a bullish stock.
Yeah.
Give something people to maybe potentially look at as an investment.
Well, tech. Tech is usually something that people consider, first of all, an offensive sector, and also something that we keep an eye on if, in fact, the bulls are going to have some momentum. One name that really caught my eye over the last couple of days has been Rackspace. Rackspace has been moving to the upside. It has earnings in the beginning of May. And as a matter of fact, what was interesting is that I saw some very interesting call activity. And typically when you see call activity, you're seeing that there are strategists that are placing opportunities out there to take advantage of upside.
So where's the stock trading now?
Stock's trading right around $23.
Where are they buying the calls?
They're buying the calls in May at 25, so that makes sense. But what caught my eye is they're also buying them at June at the $26 level, and they're buying them in September at the $26 level.
Wow, so people think the stock's going to go from 23 to above 26, maybe 27
you're looking
going
at,
forward.
Exactly, and they're potentially looking for a volatility increase, which would expand that volatility, the premium and the options, which would be advantageous to anyone that's owning them, anyone that's selling them. That would work against them. So there are a lot of different pieces going on here. But with all of this activity and lack of volatility, you're seeing that traders and investors are now utilizing the options to put fixed risk type of opportunities out there. They're not buying stocks. That's a little bit concerning when you're looking at the overall macro trend, but it is something that shows that there are a lot of prudent traders and investors out there utilizing these options for what they're out there for, fixed risk type of opportunities.
Thank you, Joe, for tipping us off.
Thank you.